We installed the first MTU engines in 2003, so we've overhauled 4 of the 12 V4000 engines, and at 30 to 32,000 hours, the parts literally, you could still see the cross-hatching in the liners. The parts look like they're brand new. The quality is higher, and so the reliability standard, in our opinion, is higher with MTU than the competitors. In my opinion, they have the highest durability of any 1800 RPM engine currently manufactured. Sauce Brothers is an ocean transportation company that operates tugs and barges. On the U.S. West Coast, our normal trips are 900 to 1,200 nautical miles, and out to the Hawaiian Islands, they're typically 2,400 nautical miles.
Security calls. This is the tug Joseph Sauce, outbound at the St. John's Railroad Bridge, on a loaded oil barge for sea.
Typically, our ocean-going vessels range between 4,000 and 6,000 hours per year of operation. Sauce Brothers operates 60 vessels that's comprised of 25 barges and 35 vessels ranging in horsepower from 6,000 down to 1,200 horsepower. We're trying to lower the fuel consumption per ton mile and what it takes to move 1 ton of cargo with 1 gallon of diesel oil. And the decision was made in 1998 to start designing a more hydrodynamic hull, one that could be towed faster, because fuel at that time was 47 cents a gallon. In order to maximize the efficiency of the hull that we're towing, we had to change the tug that was towing it. So we had to change the hull design, engine room configuration, engine selection, reduction gear, propeller, nozzle efficiency, and rudder, so that we could maximize that efficiency. We visited 6 different engine manufacturers while we were researching and trying to make the final selection process. I think the factory in Friedrichshafen has the highest quality standards and quality control of any engine factory that I've ever been in my life. Well, our senior engineer at that time and our port engineers at that time thought we were taking a step backwards. They thought I might have lost my mind.
Okay, Navajo, you're good to go.
We had tried the 1800 RPM engines in the past, and they'd just not been successful for the type of hours that we were putting on engines each year. But I think that if you ask them today, they would tell you that it was the correct decision. We have completed repowering 8 tugs with MTU engines, and we are starting on the 9th now with the new 16 V4000 M63 series. The performance has been spectacular. We've had great reliability with them, and our intention is at some point in time the entire fleet will be changed over. In the tug and barge overall equation on fuel efficiency, we've reduced fuel between 43 and 47%. The crews have really taken a great liking to the MTU boats. One of the chief engineers commented he really had a difficult time because he had sailed on the boat prior to the installation of the 12 V4000s, and he would wake up in the middle of the night panicked that he had lost his power because he couldn't hear anything. There was such a sound reduction, noise reduction, and so the engineers were ecstatic. The MTU engine is an easy engine to overhaul, and the captains liked the boats because of the responsiveness of the throttle. The MTU engine, because of its reliability and quality, we have no problem recommending to anyone in our industry.